Meetings before meetings. Good morning, team. If you walk into an important client meeting unprepared, you're already behind. Too many consultants treat the meetings as the place to figure things out. Well, it's not. The meeting is the place to lead, clarify, align, and move the work forward. The thinking, planning, and alignment should happen before the meeting ever starts. This is why I'm such a strong believer in meetings before meetings. A short internal prep conversation before the client meeting can completely change the outcome. It helps the team get aligned on the purpose of the meeting, the best outcome, the minimal acceptable outcome, the agenda, the messaging, who's leading which part of the discussion, what questions need to be asked, and where the risks may show up. Without that preparation, people talk over each other, key points get missed, the client gets confused, and time gets wasted. Confidence drops and the overall meeting starts to drift. With preparation, the room feels different. The team is sharper, the conversation is tighter, the client feels the difference. Confidence goes up and trust goes up. Progress also goes up. That's not luck, that's preparation. As consultants, we don't get paid to just show up and attend meetings. We get paid to create value in them. That means we need to show up ready to lead, ready to ask smart questions, ready to guide the discussion, and ready to bring clarity. And finally, ready to help the client make progress. So before your next important client meeting, don't just accept the calendar invite and show up. Pause and ask yourself these 5 questions. Number 1, what's the real purpose of this meeting? 2, what's the best outcome we want? 3, what are the minimum outcomes we can achieve? 4, who on our team is covering what? And 5, what does the client need to hear, to decide, and do before this meeting ends? If the meeting matters, then preparation matters. That extra 10 to 15 minutes of planning beforehand can save 30 minutes of confusion in the room and can protect your credibility with the client. The consultants who stand out usually are not winging it. They're preparing. They're aligning. They're thinking ahead. They're taking control before the meeting starts. This is what strong consultants do. This is what trusted consultants do. And this is how you start building a reputation for professionalism, confidence, and leadership. So this week, raise your standard. Don't just attend the meeting. Prepare for it. Lead it. Create value in it. Here's your call to action. Before next important client meeting or internal meeting this week, schedule a short prep conversation or do your own written prep using the 5 questions above. Walk in clear on purpose, roles, outcomes, and key messages. Let's have a strong week.